Hi guys!
Welcome to Santa. Today we're making roasted turkey.
Yes, hi guys. So we're making a roasted turkey for dinner. It's a classic Christmas night dinner, New Year dinner. We're doing it for New Year Eve. So we're gonna eat the turkey and then we're gonna eat the cake, right?
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Please thumbs up.
Please give us a big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
And comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you so much. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So for our roasted turkey, the main ingredient is the turkey. So I bought this, it was frozen. I let it thaw for overnight in the fridge, and now I'm gonna rub it with the rest, which may depends. Like I'm gonna use butter. You can use olive oil or any oil you like, or a combination of butter and olive oil. Some garlic powder, salt and pepper. And I'm gonna fill the cavity with some rosemary. So after rinsing my turkey that I had thawed, you can use like this kind of brush to rub the butter. I'd rather do it with my own hands, so I go like this. I just give a big rubbing massage to the turkey with my butter. You don't need much. Like I just have 1/4 of a cup of butter in here, which is less than 50 grams of butter if you go by metrics. And I just want to rub. My trick is to go under the skin, whatever you can access under the skin, and fill it with butter and garlic powder. So it's gonna go there. I'm gonna try to have some garlic powder everywhere, in the cavities. Salt. Keep rubbing for a minute, and this is going to the oven, to the stove. My oven is at 350 degrees. It's recommended to cook your turkey at low temperature, so all the turkey will cook thoroughly. For my turkey, because it's not a heavy one, I'm gonna let it cook for about 2.5 hours and then start checking on it and hydrate it with some of its dripping. So my favorite parts are the drumsticks. So I'm gonna just tie them a little bit so they don't detach from the turkey when they're cooking. I'm gonna go across in between and into my baking dish. And if you don't have a dish like mine, you can use any dish. I would recommend just covering your turkey for the first couple of hours with foils or any kind of cover. So as you can see, like mine is not perfectly tied, airtight, but it's more for the turkey breast not to dehydrate and get dry. So that's why I do this section. Some people will just put the whole thing in the oven, and like it's a taste and preference. I'm covering it. If you want to try to cover it or without cover, it's your option. It's your choice. Like literally. I mean, I'm saving all the butter. It's making it so yummy. Hi guys, my oven is already preheated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna just place my turkey for a couple of hours. So my turkey will bake for 2 hours covered, and then I will check it out and I will show you how it looks like. Meanwhile, you can also boil some rice to serve on the side. You can saute some vegetables. My kids love mushrooms, so I'm gonna have some mushrooms and some pasta on the side. Hi guys, so I'm checking on the temperature of the meat to make sure if it's almost cooked or not. It needs to be around 180 Fahrenheit for chicken and turkey to be ready to eat, at least 180. And then I'm gonna leave it uncovered, so this coloring is through the cover. So I'm gonna uncover it now and make it cook until it reaches the right temperature. So usually like half an hour to an hour, depending on how warm is your stove. And I'm gonna just use the rest of the spices to brush it on top of it while it's hot now. So this is what we had earlier: the garlic, the butter, the garlic powder, the butter, and the black pepper. Yeah, he's busy playing today, that's why you don't see him a lot. I'm just gonna use the dripping to hydrate the chicken breast and the chicken meat. So the temperature stopped at 155. I'm gonna put it back for another hour probably. Hi guys, our turkey is ready. It took about 3 hours to cook, and just hit the 180 Fahrenheit Celsius for the heat inside the chicken. I have a thermometer that I use to check. If you don't have a thermometer, make sure that when you poke it, the water is all clear and that your legs are almost fallen apart. That means it's well cooked.
And that's one delicious turkey. Whoa! Let's see how this massive turkey is gonna look like. I have a question for you. Is this a turkey or a duck?
No, this is a turkey. I'm gonna just let it
Guess
sit.
what tomorrow's video is? A duck.
Next video should be a duck, as he said. So I'm gonna let it rest for about 5 to 15 minutes while I get the dinner ready and everything ready. So I hope you like the video. It's simple and you can serve it with fries, roasted potato, roasted vegetables, rice. What do you like with your
ketchup? No.
What do you like with your turkey? What sauce do you like with your turkey?
Gravy!
Yes, he loves it with gravy. So the dripping, you can make gravy out of it if you'd like. And that was it for today. Thank you so much for staying to the end. We appreciate your time and your support. Don't forget to give us some.
Do you like my costume?
Yeah, and do you like his costume? Please put it in the comment if you like his costume, if we should have him on this costume for all the videos or not. Please comment about that. And again, some thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. We appreciate that.
He's a pizza, he rolls a pizza, and he tops his best pizza man.
Thank you so much for watching, guys.
And here we have our monster.
And my curly hair is here. Say hi, guys.
Hi!
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.